Hello everyone. So now that all the winners for the 7th annual Motoring Woman of the Year Awards powered by MFC, a division of Nedbank, have been announced through our Women in Motoring South Africa platforms, I'm excited to address some of the most frequently asked questions. As the founder, let me give you the inside scoop on how this all works. A lot of people ask, what is the criteria and how does it all work? Firstly, I am so excited to welcome you all as we celebrate the incredible women of our industry. To our online supporters, the entire automotive world, and everyone whose life has been touched by this industry, welcome. From the open road to the driver's seat, our industry connects with almost every person in South Africa. Whether you drive a car or are a passenger, you are part of this community. So thank you for your increasing excitement, interest, and support. Let's celebrate. All right, so let's do a quick recap on how we select our winners. We know it's easy to look at the incredible women who have won and compare yourself or your colleagues to them, maybe even thinking you were more deserving. If that's you, there's only one way to change that. Nominate yourself or your colleague to be considered for the awards. You must have your CEO and the person you report to send in your nomination. You'll find the email address in the caption or in my bio. Nominations for 2026 will close on the 15th December 2025. We have already received 2,500 nominations for 2026. So every year, most car brands, this year it was 39, either from head office or their dealer network, recognizes the importance of diversity and inclusion in the automotive industry by proudly selecting their top performers based on their key performance index, which is the KPI. When a woman with a proven track record of excellence and innovation emerges, it not only shatters outdated stereotypes, but also sets a powerful example for aspiring professionals worldwide. These trailblazing women bring unique perspectives, leadership qualities, and technical expertise that drive brands forward in competitive markets. By celebrating and promoting female achievements, car manufacturers not only enhance their brand or their brand image, but also foster a culture of equality, inspiring future generations to break barriers and excel in roles traditionally dominated by men. This progressive approach is reshaping the industry, proving that success is achieved through talent and dedication above all else. We are then asked or tasked to ensure inclusion, making sure that all 9 provinces are represented and that as many voices and perspectives as possible are included in the process. This means going beyond mere tokenism to actively engage diversity or diverse communities, recognizing the unique cultural, social, and economic contexts of each province. By promoting equitable participation, we foster a richer dialogue that reflects the true needs and aspirations of the entire population. Yes, I am well versed in everything that I'm doing for the Motoring Women of the Year Awards because this is our 7th year. Inclusion is extremely important to us. It's not just about numbers, it's about creating a space where every province feels heard and valued, enabling more effective collaboration, stronger relationships, and ultimately more sustainable and impactful outcomes for the region as a whole. Lastly, our recruitment agency partner ensures a thorough vetting process is followed by speaking to candidates, directly allowing them to gain deeper insights into each applicant's skills, experience, and cultural fit, but above all, their women empowerment activities. This personalized approach does, or it goes beyond simply reviewing resumes. It involves detailed interviews, reference checks, and sometimes practical assessments tailored to specific roles. By engaging with candidates on a one-on-one basis, the agency can better understand their motivations and their work ethic and potential contributions to our organization and to the motoring industry. This meticulous process helps to streamline candidates who are not only qualified, but truly aligned with their long-term goals. Some of the ladies who are able to attend an interview with me are warmly invited to the studio for a more in-depth conversation and a chance to showcase their talents in a professional setting. This opportunity not only allows for a better understanding of their skills and personality, but also creates an environment where they can express themselves freely and confidently. The studio atmosphere here is designed to be welcoming and inspiring, encouraging each participant to bring their unique flair to the table. Every interview is a captivating experience filled with stories of ambitious resilience and creativity, making each session memorable and insightful for both the interviewees and myself, most definitely. There are many women with huge following who have passionately promoted our platforms, amplifying our reach over the years and impacting remarkable ways. So each year we make it a priority to recognize and celebrate these influential women whose creativity, dedication, and authentic voices inspire communities worldwide. Their collaboration not only enhances our brand visibility, but also fosters a diverse and inclusive environment where ideas flourish. By honoring their contributions annually, we highlight the power of female influence in the digital landscape and reaffirm our commitment to supporting and empowering women creators who continue to shape the future of our platforms. This ongoing recognition motivates others to engage, to innovate, and to contribute meaningfully, creating a vibrant ecosystem of shared success. Then there's Doe Ledley, renowned as one of the founding figures of MFC, and has also played a pivotal role as a pioneering member of the awards ceremony's establishment, contributing significantly to its legacy and prestige. His vision and his dedication helped shape the ceremony into a celebrated event that recognizes outstanding talent and contribution within our community. Beyond his administrative acumen, Doe's passion for the commitment to fostering excellence have made him an influential figure in both the movement history and the broader car financial culture. His involvement in launching the awards ceremony exemplifies his forward-thinking approach to not only building a successful organization, but also creating a tradition of honoring and inspiring women. For me, the Doe Ledley Lifetime Achievement Award stands out as the most important accolade of the night because it honors a woman of the highest integrity who has made a profound impact within the MFC/Nedbank community and beyond. This prestigious award celebrates not only professional excellence, but also the recipient's dedication to uplifting others, breaking barriers, and inspiring positive change. It recognizes the resilience, leadership, and unwavering commitment required to pave the way for future generations of women. Each year, the Doe Ledley Award serves as a beacon of empowerment, reminding us of the extraordinary achievements women continue to accomplish despite challenges, and highlighting stories that might otherwise go unnoticed. And this is what Doe Ledley was all about, recognizing talents and celebrating them. Truly, it is a moment that encapsulates the spirit of perseverance, compassion, and visionary leadership. Again, just the person that Doe Ledley was. And this is what makes it the highlight of the evening for me. Now, I hope that I have managed to explain the awards to you once again, and you still have a chance to nominate your colleague or nominate yourself. Follow the protocol of having your CEO and the person that you report to sign the nomination off, and from there we might see you in the next awards. But for now, let's continue to celebrate Women in Motoring South Africa Winners 2025.